Full face makeup tutorial for beginners. First face primer to prime the face. Foundation. Concealer to highlight. Contour. Blend that in. Cream blush. Another shade of the cream blush. The first one was not coming out well. Blend. Press powder to set the highlights. Darker shade to set the contour. Powder blush to set the cream blush. Translucent setting powder to bake. Dust the down one off. Leave the under high for eyeshadow fallout. Brows. Concealer to clean and define the brows. Eyeshadow primer for the eyes. Then eyeshadow. Brown shade for the crease up to the brow bone. Blend the edges. Orange shade for the eyelid, all over the eyelid. Blend the edges. Line the eyes with black eyeliner. Mascara. Black eyeliner pen for the waterline. A orange shade for the under eye. False lashes. Dust off the eyeshadow fallout and the powder. Blend everything. Set the face with makeup setting spray. highlighter to highlight the face, and a little bit on the tear dot area to brighten up the eyes. Line the lips with black lip liner. Lip gloss, clear lip gloss. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.